I'm here to walk you through why this APO is a good opportunity for you to be a shareholder in Barita as we continue to revolutionize your relationship with money.
Barita is a brand that understands money. We know how to make it, grow it, and put it to work for you. In the approximately 22 months post Barita's acquisition by Cornerstone to June 2020, Barita delivered a total return of 586% to its ordinary shareholders.
Over the same period, the Jamaica Stock Exchange main index returned 19.75%. During this period, Barita's stock was recognized as the best performing stock on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in 2018 when the JSE was awarded the title of the best performing stock market in the world by Bloomberg. Now, this was not achieved through hype, but through deliberate, bold, and direct initiatives of the renewed Barita, which resulted in our performance for the 9 months ended June 2020, producing profits of $2 billion, the highest results for this period in the company's history.
Our 9 months outturn represented a 40.3% or $500 million rise in the comparable period in the last financial year. The profit result for the June quarter of $991 million is also the highest quarterly profit recorded in the company's history. The performance over the quarter was set against a very challenging backdrop of the ongoing pandemic caused by the novel coronavirus, which severely impacted financial markets, both locally and globally.
Our ability to generate this result on behalf of our shareholders was due largely by the company's success in its trading, our new business line of investment banking, and the refinement of our asset management business lines, coupled with swift action to optimize the company's cost base during the period. But we are not done. We believe Barita presents investors with a rare high growth potential opportunity in the financial services sector in Jamaica by allowing investors to participate in this APO.
Post-acquisition by Cornerstone, Barita has experienced exponential growth with the first full financial year under new management, producing 195% growth in earnings per share. Barita also has several unique avenues for near-term and sustained growth. Specifically, relatively low leverage. As of June 2020, Barita had a leverage ratio, which we measure by total assets over total equity, of 3.42 times, which is materially below the average leverage ratio of the securities industry as of December 2019 of 5.72 times.
We believe this presents Barita with a significant opportunity to outpace its peers with respect to growth over the near term.
Another avenue for growth is the introduction of new products and business lines. Barita's launch of its investment banking business in December 2018 has yielded over $500 million in direct revenue in the 18 months to June 2020. We believe the recruitment of a dedicated team and the commitment of additional capital to the investment banking unit speaks well for the future revenue growth for the company.
We also believe our significantly increased market presence will also continue to support the introduction of new products to our rapidly expanding customer base. Now to the meat of the matter. We would have conducted our valuation exercise on the per share pricing of the Barita share to ensure that all participating members benefit from future growth potential.
We believe that Barita Investments Limited is materially undervalued versus its peers, even in the context of the recent price adjustment driven by the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the high end of the price range for our intended APO, that is $52, the company is valued at 19.92 times when you utilize the 12-month trailing earnings per share of $2.61 to June 2020. While this multiple is above the average multiple of Barita's peer group of 15.60 times, Barita's recent historical growth rate significantly outpaces that of its peers. We have only begun to start the work we believe to achieve the status of our respected peers. Hence, we view Barita as an undervalued growth stock. Examining the growth in our earnings per share over multiple horizons, We believe the higher price multiple is justified by Barita's growth rate.
This money will only help us make you more money. And we've got some specific projects in mind, all of which are about to expand the business, strengthen our products, boost our in-house tech, and finding the best minds in the game.
So take this opportunity to partner with us as we build wealth together.